Well, we're just going to show you how to set up your animal and talk about it a little bit, talk you through it. But here we got old Brownie. He's all set up, and we've got hard panniers on the side. These could be soft panniers that are stuffed full of equipment and gear, and then a top pack on the top. I like to have my top packs so that they're diagonal, the long uh, way this way. They'll stay between the bucks or the hoop, your saddles, a whole lot better that way, and we can tuck it in and it'll just ride a whole lot better than if you can and run it parallel with the back of the horse. But anyway, the big part of this discussion is going to be about the top mani or top pack cover. We just take a piece of tarp, and my preference, although I've got all kinds of sizes, if I were to have an ideal size would be a 7x8, and I'm going to fold it the long way. I'm going to fold it in half, and that's what I've got here. So I've got a 4-foot piece of tarp that's folded or 8 foot, folded in half, so it's only 4 foot, if that makes sense. And I'm going to use this and drape it over the top to protect the gear and also bind it into the whole pack as it goes. So here, this is what we want to do, is throw this over the top like that, and I'm going to even that up. Come over to this side like that. Might have to pull it just a hair this way. You tell me. Okay. Just like that. And then the next thing, and this is kind of key, is to take this, and the back is to roll it up a little bit and then tuck it underneath or right inside of this buck or the hoop here, and then do the same thing on the front. We're just going to roll it like that and stick it right there. That'll make a nice tarp that's nice and flat. It's going to stay there and hopefully stay there actually through the whole load. So that's where you want to start. It doesn't matter too much. Actually, I found out that over the years that if you have this kind of laying like this, it's just going to brush any branch or anything like that off. It's not going to tear. You're probably better off to have it just stay draped over the front and the back than you are to actually tuck it. So that's how you set it up. We'll get on to packing from here on out.